This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, is my voice audible?
Yes, Nick.
Okay, so first of all, welcome to Business Analyst online training sessions. My name is Nikki. I am the BA trainer and I am going to take care of all your business analyst workshop related sessions. So today we are going to have a small demo related to this business analyst online training. Okay, so in this demo, first we are going to have introductions. Then after that, I will explain you what is today's agenda. Then we will see what is business analysis, why to do this course, what is the demand for this course in different countries like India, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and how this business analyst is different from other IT employees. What are the prerequisites that are required to do this course? Then after that, I will explain you how our course is going to take place and what kind of material I am going to share you and how that material will help you to crack your interviews and to get a job as a BA. Okay. So to tell about me, so my name is Nikki. Coming to my qualification, I am MBA graduated in marketing and finance and I completed all these certifications like certified professional business analyst and I'm certified in NISM. NISM stands for National Institute of Security Markets, and I'm certified in Professional Scrum Master. And I completed my Professional Product Owner certificate also, and I'm certified in Kanban, and I completed my Agile Scrum Product Owner certification also. Presently, I am training for Agile Coach. So I want to become an Agile Coach and taking certification for Agile Coach. And coming to my professional details, I have 16 plus years of experience working as a lead business analyst for a couple of MNC companies in different domains. Okay. And coming to my online training experience, I am into this online training since from 6 plus years, where I have trained nearly 900 plus people and I completed 138 batches. This is my batch number 139. Out of this, 80% of people got successfully placed in different countries like India, USA, UK, Canada, Australia. So if you check my reviews, I will be standing in number one position out of 200 trainers in India. So this is my track record. Now I want to know about you people. So Nahojala, can I know about your education, work experience and current location?
Mm. Hi everyone, my name is Najela Nyama. I'm a degree holder in accounting and management. Work experience, I've been a Scrum Master for like 8 months, but currently I'm not working and I'm in the United States. Thank you.
Okay. And Rakesh, may I know about your education, work experience and current location?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rakesh Ratnam. Education, I have a graduate degree in the BBA. Works experience, I have been working in banking for last 10 years. Now, for the last 4 years, I have been a bank manager in two or three different banks that I've worked in US. And current location, I'm in US, Philadelphia.
Okay. So Sai, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So may I know about your education, work experience and current location, madam?
Yeah, hello, Ian. Hello all. Yeah, I graduated as chemical engineer and I don't have any work experience and currently I am in United States.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you are not working anywhere?
Currently, no, not working anywhere. It was just some part-time jobs. That's it.
Okay. So thank you. Thank you for your information.
Yeah.
So this is today's agenda. So I request you people to mute yourself. In case if you have any doubts, you can just unmute and you can ask me. So this is today's agenda, introductions which we have completed just now. And
And Nikki, uh, can you
yeah, tell
please
me.
increase your volume? I mean, I can't hear you properly.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, is this okay? So others
Yeah,
are facing the
I
same problem?
yeah, I think it's okay.
No, it's good. Okay.
Okay, okay. So just now we have introductions which we completed, and I'm going to explain you what is business analysis and BA as a career and training highlights. Then I will explain you what kind of course structure we are going to have. Then what kind of material I'm going to share you, how it will be helpful for your interviews and job career. After that, if you have any questions, you can ask me so that I can answer your questions. Okay. Now, what is business analysis means? For example, assume that you people completed this business analyst training. After completing, in case if you are getting a job as a BA in any IT company, so you will be assigned to a project. Then there will be a project manager. So project manager will give you a document. That document name is nothing but requirement document or development document. Okay. So this document gives you some information in brief about the project, like what is this project all about. So why we have to do this project, what client is expecting from this project, who are the stakeholders, what are the requirements. So this kind of information will be there in that document. Now we have to convert this brief information into detailed information. We have to convert this high level information into low level information. For that purpose, we will start doing enterprise analysis. So when we start doing enterprise analysis, the first step is we are going to define and scope business area. That means, as I said, we will get detailed information like what, who is our client, so what kind of business he is into, and what is the legacy system he is using. Legacy system means the current process or current system he is using. So what kind of problems he is facing, why he is getting the problems, whether current system is creating any problems or whether client got any new requirements where the current system is unable to support them, what we need to deliver, what we should not deliver. So all these we are going to explain in define and scope business area. Okay. Then next one is elicit requirements. Elicit requirements is nothing but gathering requirements. So here we have different requirement gathering techniques. Nearly 10 requirement gathering techniques are there. I'm going to explain all those 10 requirement gathering techniques in detail with examples in upcoming sessions. Okay. So just for a glance, you remember, once you define and scope business area, you are going to gather requirements with the help of this requirement gathering techniques. Now, once you gather requirements, we are going to analyze and document requirements. Analyze requirements means we are going to show these requirements to our reporting authority. Now, who is your reporting authority mean? It depends upon the hierarchy which your company follows. For example, if you are joining as a junior BA, your senior BA could be your reporting authority. If you are joining as a senior BA, your lead BA can be your reporting authority. If you are joining as a lead BA, your project manager could be your reporting authority. Your delivery manager could be your reporting authority. Your SME, subject matter expert, could be your reporting authority in this way. So they are going to analyze these requirements. They are going to review these requirements and they will provide a feedback whether these requirements are correct or not, whether these requirements are sufficient or not. Okay. So once if you get a positive feedback saying that these requirements are correct and these requirements are sufficient, then we are going to document these requirements. Now there will be different types of documents. It will be based on the projects. Okay. Now what is this documentation? How many types of documents are there? How to prepare these documents, for which project, what kind of document we have to prepare, what is the format, what are the contents. So everything I will be explaining you in detail in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Now once you document these requirements, we have to communicate these requirements. That means we have to communicate these requirements to the relevant stakeholders. It could be like testers, developers, networking people, database administrators. So we have to communicate in the way they understand. So for this purpose, we are going to use some UML languages. And here we are going to draw some UML diagrams also with if it is required. So what are these UML? What is this UML? What are the UML diagrams? How to draw? What are the tools that we are going to use? So everything we are going to see. Then after communicating requirements, so we have to identify solution and verify solution meets the requirements. That means we need to check whether these requirements are helping in solving the problem and giving solution or not. Okay. So as a whole, these are the roles and responsibilities the BA will be performing. So while performing these roles and responsibilities, there will be money notations, there will be conditions. Okay. So in this process, we are going to learn like what are the roles and responsibilities of a BA, what are the prerequisites for a BA, what a BA should do, what a BA should not do. So what are the challenges he will be facing while gathering requirements, and what is SDLC process, what are the different stages in SDLC, and what are the different types of developing a project, what are the methods and models, then what are the areas where the BA should have knowledge, and then we will see with requirements like what is a requirement, how many types of requirements are there, how to identify a good requirement, how to gather a requirement. Then we will see about documentation. Then as I said, I will be explaining about UML diagrams. Then after that we will see like what is a server, how many types of servers are there in each type of server, what is the role of a BA. In the same way, what is testing, how BA is connected with the testing, what kind of role the BA plays when the project is in testing, and in case if requirements are getting changed, so how to handle the change requirements, what is the process we are going to follow. So all this we are going to see in our regular sessions. So here there is a definition given to business analysis by IT industry. So it goes like this: business analysis is the task of understanding business change needs, accessing the business impact of those changes, capturing, analyzing, and documenting requirements, and supporting the communication and delivery of requirements with relevant stakeholders. So, with my 16 years of experience, I can make a short form of this definition and I can say business analysis is nothing but identifying the gray areas in a business and giving IT solutions to solve those gray areas for efficient and effective working of the business. Okay. Gray areas are nothing but problems, identifying the problems. So henceforth, if I use the term business, you have to take in multiple contexts. So a business could be a project or a program or a product or a application or a software or a code, then it could be a website. So identifying the problems in a particular project or a particular program or a particular product or a particular software or a particular application or a particular app or a particular code or a particular website, and giving IT solutions to solve those problems for efficient and effective working of the business. Okay. Now, if we divide this business analysis into two words, you are going to get two definitions. One is for business and another one is for analysis. Now, definition of business goes like this: an organization concerned with providing product or services to satisfy customer requirements with the objective of making profit or not for profit. That means we are going to work as a BA for any project. It could be profitable or not profitable. Our motto is to satisfy customer requirements by providing products or services. And definition of analysis includes discover rather than invention, fact rather than opinion, questions rather than answers, why rather than how, problems rather than solutions, outcome rather than process. So we are going to analyze all this and we'll provide a solution. Okay. Then why to choose a BA career? So before attending this demo or before making your mind to have a career as a BA, you might be having different doubts in your mind, like after taking this way, whether I can get a job or not, or what is the demand for BA, or what kind of salaries we are going to get, or whether I am eligible to do this BA job or not. So this kind of doubts might be there in your mind. So here there are some points. I'm going to explain all those points so that some of your doubts can be cleared. So first one is BA jobs are increasing in the present market about 36%. So out of entire IT industry, BA jobs are capturing 36%. Why means initially when the role of BA emerged in the IT industry in the early of 1980s, only level 5 companies started recruiting the BAs. Okay. So after they recruited BAs, they observed a vast success ratio in their projects. Okay. So success ratio increased from 25% to 75%. Okay. So from that time, all companies started recruiting the BAs. It could be a startup company, level 1 company, level 2 company, and they made it that there should be a BA in a project for the success of the project. So that's the reason BA jobs are increasing 36% in the IT market. Okay. So business analyst is one of the most in demand and hottest jobs that employees are looking for. So BA job is the most in demand and hottest job. Why? Because it is the only one platform where a non-IT guy can enter into IT sector without any IT experience and without any coding or programming language. So apart from this, if you take any other platform, a minimum IT background and minimum coding and programming is required. But for BA, it is not required. If you are having till now, if you are having any experience in non-IT sector, so you can easily divert your career from non-IT to IT without any IT experience, without any coding or programming language. That's the reason it is most in demand and hottest job. Okay. So according to the US Department of Labor, and an IIBA salary survey, business analysts can earn over $100,000 per year. So there was a survey conducted by US Department of Labor and IIBA. IIBA stands for International Institute of Business Analysis. So they revealed a fact that an average BA is earning $100,000 per year. Okay. Then research shows the IT analyst job to be the seventh best job in America with a 10-year growth outlook of 36%. Okay. So out of the 10 best jobs in US, BA is standing in the seventh best position, taking 10 as the highest. Okay. Then BA is one of the top 10 recession-proof jobs given by Forbes magazine, and it is the top paid among the 10. So Forbes magazine declared that BA is one of the top 10 recession-proof jobs in US. Okay. Then BA jobs cater to many domains like pharmaceutical, healthcare, insurance, finance, banking, mortgage, accounting, financial budgeting, and controlling bonds, medical insurance, etc. So these are the different domains where BA will be working. Apart from this, we have other domains also like real estate, transportation, aeronautical. So you can select a domain based on your previous experience or based on your academic chronicle. Okay. Then secure jobs. It also shows that a business analyst could be possibly secured from the economics of recession as seen recently the world over. So these jobs cannot be offshore. So BA jobs are very secure jobs because even at the time of recession, the IT companies will never dare to remove the BA. Why? Because BA is going to act as a SPOC, single point of contact. So a BA will communicate and coordinate with each and every stakeholder, with each and every team. In case if company removes the BAs, there will be lack of communication and there won't be any coordination. So if there is miscommunication and no coordination flowing in the company, definitely the project will lead to failure. So that's the reason the companies will never dare to remove the BAs. They have to maintain a good communication between the teams and there should be coordination in the work. Then only the project will get success. So for this purpose, it is mandatory that there should be BA. So these are some points which reveals the fact that why to take a BA as a career. Okay. Then job ratio and growth potential of a BA. So a BA is having 7.7 growth out of 10, falling next to programmers who are having 8.4 percentage. Okay. And here is the latest news related to BA. It goes like this. If business analysis is your thing, you are in demand. Business analysis jobs are expected to increase 19% by 2024 according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Okay. So at present, there is a scarcity of 7 lakh BA jobs in US and this is going to increase by 19% by 2024 and there is a scarcity of 1,50,000 jobs BA jobs in Canada and there is a scarcity of 2 lakh BA jobs in Australia. Okay. So here why it is happening means the demand is more and supply is less. So that's the reason we have many opening in BA. Okay. And training prerequisites. So prerequisites are nothing but qualities like who can join this training or who can take this training. Okay. It says prior experience is not required. Entry level IT business analyst is not required. IT professionals only is not required. So non-IT professionals aspiring to get into business analyst can take this training. If you are from non-IT background, if you want to get into IT background, you can take this training. Self-taught IT business analyst wanting to fill in the gaps and put all pieces together. That means If you are working as a business analyst, if you want to gain more and detailed knowledge on different concepts of BA, then you can take this training. System analysts and programmers interested in expanding their role into the business area. If you are working as a system analyst or programmer, and if you want to divert your career to BA, then you can take this training. So basic SQL skills and some domain knowledge is a plus. I will read this sentence once again. Please understand. Basic SQL skills and some domain knowledge is a plus. It is not saying that SQL skills and domain knowledge is mandatory. If you have SQL skills and domain knowledge, it is a added advantage. That's it. It is not mandatory. But anyhow, I'm going to explain what kind of SQL skills and domain knowledge we need to have. Then who can be a successful business analyst? So anyone who is having personal skills, process knowledge, tool skills, domain understanding can become a successful BA. So personal skills in the sense, common sense, communication skills, written and oral or people skills, detail oriented and interested in getting things done. This everyone will have. No need. I am not like I don't know. I don't need to do anything with this. So process knowledge like project life cycle, software development life cycle, facilitative skills. So I will be taking care of this in our regular sessions. And tool skills like MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, modeling tools, Visio, Rose, Star, UML, Enterprise Architecture, other MPP, ITIL tools, collaboration tools, UI tools, SQL tools. So here you need to take care of MS Office. You need to have a minimum knowledge of using MS Office. Only a minimum knowledge, like how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Paint, not in depth, a minimum knowledge. Apart from that, what are the other tools that are required as a BA? I will take care of that. Okay. And domain understanding. So basic business areas, functions, process, etc. This also I will take care of. Okay. Then business analyst career path. So here BA career is divided into 4 levels: entry level, mid level, senior level, leadership level. So entry level in the sense, if you are keeping experience from 0 to 4 years, you will fall under entry level. So who can join at entry level means industry or domain experts, fresh MBAs, developers or QAs. They will be treated as IT business analysts and they will be reporting to senior or lead BA. Now, once you gain some experience at entry level, you will be promoted to mid level. So there you will be treated as a senior or lead BA. You will be working for sales or business development and you will be reporting to SMA, that is subject matter expert. And once you gain some experience at mid level, you will be promoted to senior level. So there you will be working as a business process reengineering or consulting and you will be working for product management and you will be reporting to vendor management. And once you gain some experience at senior level, so you will be promoted to leadership level. So there you will be working as a CTO or COO and you will be handling consulting. That means you will be handling some couple of projects. This is how your career will be designed. Then BA average salaries. So what kind of salaries the BA will be getting? So a junior BA in US, he will be getting $74,000 and BA will be getting $83,000 and senior BA will be getting $95,000 and senior finance BA will be getting $99,000 and senior insurance BA will be getting $104,000 and senior investment banking BA will be getting $106,000 and senior healthcare BA will be getting $106,000 and senior retail BA will be getting $106,000. Okay, so these are the figures which are given by Indeed. Indeed is a leading job portal throughout worldwide. It has given a comment. It says average national BA salaries are 14% higher than all job postings nationwide. That means if you compare your BA salary with any other job, you will be having an on average of 14% higher. Okay. Then if you compare BA salaries with developer salaries in different categories. Suppose if I take banking wise. So a BA will be getting 70,000 to $140,000 per annum, wherein developer will be getting 50,000 to $1,20,000 per annum. In the same way, if you take level wise, in mid level, BA will be getting 70,000 to $1,40,000. Developer will be getting like 50,000 to $1,20,000. In the same way, solution wise, like specialized ERP in SAP Oracle, BA will be getting 90,000 to $1,60,000. Developer will be getting 70,000 to $1,40,000. Geography wise, in emerging markets like Vietnam, Myanmar, Laos, BA will be getting 45,000 to $90,000. Developer will be getting 30,000 to $70,000. Okay. So if you deeply observe and compare, a BA will be getting equal to developers or more than developers, but not less than developers. So that's the reason developers also want to divert their career to BA. Okay. Then ranking of BA jobs. Out of the 25 best jobs in the universe, BA is standing in the fifth best position. When it comes to professional services, it is standing in the number one position with 3.3 as career ops rating and 4.3 as overall score. Okay. Then training highlights. Here, what kind of training you are going to get? So first one is role specific training. What is role specific training means? Here, I am going to explain you each and every topic theoretically and practically. I will show way to apply that concept. In case if you are unable to understand that concept, we are going to have a role play. That means you will be treated as a BA and I will be treated as a client, and we are going to have conversation as a client and BA. So that is nothing but role specific. Then second one is hands-on mentoring and interactive sessions. So throughout our workshop, we will have more and more interactive sessions. Okay. Then third one is part clarification of doubts. So when I explaining any concept, if you have any doubt, you can stop me saying, Nikki, I have a doubt, so that I can pause my training for some time and I can clarify your doubt on this part. In case if it is related to ongoing concept. If it is related to any other concept, then I will be clarifying at the end of each and every session. Okay. Then all materials, including soft copy of notes, templates, and PDFs will be provided. So whatever the training we are going to do, every session will be recorded and you will be getting the recording videos also with lifetime access. And for every module, I will be providing you the soft copy of notes also. And wherever the different formats are there, I will be providing the PDF formats also. Okay. Then we will be working on 4 case studies. Okay. I will make you to draw UML diagrams with the help of these 4 case studies. And after that, I will explain you 2 real-time project scenarios. That means once we complete all this theoretical part, when you understand the flow, after that, I will take 2 real-time projects which I have worked, and I will explain what kind of work the BA will do from day one till the project goes into production, how he will involve in the process. So what he is going to do in each and every stage. Okay. Then guidance for resume preparation and interviews. So here I will be taking one session and I will explain how to prepare your resume, how to convert your present experience into BA experience, and I will be sharing you some tips and I will be sharing you some sample resumes also. Okay. And coming to interviews, here I will be giving you a booklet which consists of nearly 300 real-time interview question and answers. So you can expect nearly 80% of interview questions from this booklet. and rest of the 20% depends on the projects which you are keeping in your resume. So this all you are going to get. Then this is our roadmap, how we are going to start our training. So first I will start with introduction to BA, then I will explain you what is SDLC life cycle, then what are the different methods and models that are there for SDLC. Then I will explain what are the 6 knowledge areas that BA should have. Then we will see with requirements, and after that documentation. Then after that I will explain what is OOPS and MVC architecture. Then we will see what are UML diagrams and tools. Then what is BPM, RUP and RAD, and what are servers and testing. Then I will explain what is change management process and what are the important points about project. So these two are very important modules, change management process and important points about project. So if you are thorough with these two modules, I can bet you can crack your interviews by keeping nearly 4 to 5 years of fake experience. And I can challenge that in the market, no one is going to explain about these two modules. I kept my 16 years of experience to design these two modules. Okay. Then we will have interview tips and resume preparation. So this is how our training goes. Now let me show you what I am going to cover in my training. These are the contents of my business analyst workshop. So total we are going to have 13 modules. So the first module is introduction to BA. So here I am going to explain you business analyst overview and origin. Then what is business analysis and who is a business analyst, what are the functions and what are types of IT companies and IT hierarchy. Then who is a stakeholder and what are the different types of stakeholders and what is POC, scope and scope creep. Then we will see business analyst prerequisites, roles and responsibilities of a BA, do's and don'ts of a BA and problems faced by BA with stakeholders in gathering requirements and what are the stages in business analysis. Okay. These all topics comes under module number 1, and coming to module number 2, that is SDLC process. Here I am going to explain you what is software development life cycle, what are the different phases. So I will be covering all these 6 phases like enterprise planning phase, designing phase, development phase, testing phase, installation phase, maintenance phase. So I will explain what happens in each and every phase, what kind of activities the IT team will do in each and every phase, and what is the role of a BA in each and every phase. Okay. Then module number 3 is SDLC methods or models. So these are also known as software engineering methods. So here I am going to explain you what is a method and what is a model. Then I will explain you 4 important methods which are presently existing in the IT market. So those are nothing but sequential methodology and waterfall model or iterative methodology or RUP. RUP stands for Rational Unified Process. Then next we will see with evolutionary methodology, which is also known as spiral model or prototyping model. In this, again, I am going to explain what are prototypes and different types of prototypes and what is the difference between a wireframe, prototype and a markup. Then finally, we will see with agile methodology. In agile methodology, I will be covering XP. XP stands for Extreme Programming and Scrum. Okay. Then I will explain what is the difference between a method and a model. Then module number 4 is all about 6 knowledge areas. Here I will be explaining what are the 6 areas where the BA should have complete knowledge. So I will be explaining about enterprise analysis. In this, I will be covering Pareto analysis, fishbone analysis, SWOT analysis, gap analysis, feasibility study, and business case writing. These are nothing but enterprise analysis techniques. Then I will explain you what is requirement planning and management. In this, we will see with RACA chart, that is nothing but responsible, accounted, consulted, informed. Then we will see with requirement elicitation or gathering. So here I am going to explain all 10 requirement gathering techniques with examples and details. Okay. Then we will see with requirement communication, how to communicate the requirements, and requirement documentation, how to document the requirements, and solution assessment and validation. Okay. Then fifth one is requirement analysis process. So in this module, I'm going to explain you what is a requirement, what are the different types, and what are the guidelines for good requirements, what are the parameters of good requirements, what is requirement gathering, how to conduct requirement gathering sessions, what are the different phases, and what are the mistakes and challenges associated with requirement gathering. Then module number 6 is documentation. Here I am going to explain about all these documents that are prepared by a BA. That is nothing but SRS, BRD, FRS, SOW. So I will explain for which project what kind of document we have to prepare, what are the contents of the document, what is the format, how to get that content. So everything we are going to see, and I will show you the format also. Then apart from this, I will explain about RTM also, requirement traceability matrix. Okay. Then module number 7 is all about OOPS and MVC architecture. Here I will be covering what is OOPS concept, elements of OOPS, application of OOPS, MVC architecture, and two-tier and three-tier architecture. Then coming to UML diagrams and tools. Here I will be giving introduction to UML diagrams, and I will explain about use case diagrams, relationships in use case diagrams, and functionalities. That is nothing but extend and include functionalities, and what are the contents of use case description document. Then we will see with sequence diagram, activity diagrams, and what are the softwares used for preparing UML diagrams, documents, and prototypes. Then module number 9 is all about BPM, RUP, and RAD. So here I will be explaining you what is BPM. That is nothing but business process modeling, and what is RUP. That is nothing but rational unified process, and what are the different phases, and what are the documents prepared in RUP, and what is RAD, rapid application development, and what are the stages in RAD. Then module number 10 is software servers and different types of servers. So here I am going to explain what is a server, what are the different types of servers, like what is a development server, what is a testing server, what is a production server. So what happens for a project in each and every server, and what is the role of a BA in each and every server. Apart from this, I will explain what is UAT server also, and how to do UAT testing, and what are the important points we need to follow while doing UAT testing. Okay. Then coming to module number 11, that is nothing but software testing. So here I am going to explain you what is testing and what are the areas of testing, what are the different types of testings, like introduction to QA methodology, and what is the role of a BA in testing, what is how to create test plans and how to create test cases, and what are different testing methods, like what is functional and regression testing, what is white box and black box testing, what is positive and negative testing, and what is GUI and unit testing, and what are user acceptance testing. So these all concepts I'm going to explain you from BA perspective, not from testing perspective. Okay. Then change management process. Module number 12 is change management process. Here I'm going to explain you what is change management process, what are the reasons why requirements will be getting changed, what is a change request, what is a change of scope, what are acceptable changes, and how to handle a change request, and what are the important points to be considered while handling a change request. Okay. Then module number 13 is all about project management system. Here I am going to explain how a project is initiated, how software bidding process takes place, what is the basic knowledge of project, like what is BA proportion in project, what are project types, what are types of payments for project, what is mails management, what are project standards, what are timesheets, what is budget allocation, and what are Gantt charts, and what are project milestones and pricing, what are the company approach on project, and what are the reasons of project failure, and risk analysis and management. Okay. As I said, module number 12 and 13 are very, very important. Okay. So if you are thorough with these two modules, you can easily crack your interviews by keeping 4 to 5 years of fake experience. Okay. Then as added features, I will be explaining how to prepare your resume, and I will be giving some resume preparation tips and sample resumes, how to convert your experience into BA experience, and I will be giving you the soft copy of notes for each and every module, 4 case studies. As I said, we are going to in module number 8. Once we done with use case diagrams, UML diagrams, I will make you to draw these UML diagrams with the help of 4 case studies. Okay. Then we will, as I said, I will explain 2 real-time project scenarios. What a BA is going to do from day 1 till the project goes into production. Okay. And coming to interview preparation, I will be giving you some interview preparation tips, and I will be giving you booklet which consists of nearly 300 real-time interview question and answers, and I will explain how to clear your interviews. So this will be the entire curriculum. So the duration will be 25 hours, daily 1 hour, weekly 5 days. So for people who are in India, it will be Monday to Friday. And the people who are in US, it will be Sunday evening to Thursday evening. Okay. So a regular batch, that means module number 1, we are going to start from tomorrow. Okay. So if you people have any doubts, please let me know. Yes, guys. Do you people have any doubts?